Hey YouTube, just want to do a quick video here on this impact wrench here. This is the DCF 911. I got this as a free tool when I got the kit here at Lowe's. I chose the 791 drill kit, 2 batteries, everything you see there basically. And I got a free tool, so I got this 911. I chose that with the 1/2 inch drive, and it's got the hog ring. And just for comparison, this is the mid-range. This one's got a detent button pin, but I didn't see any reviews on this 911, so I wanted to do a performance review. But what I noticed right off the bat, which is kind of interesting, is this has 3250 impacts per minute and 2850 RPMs. For this one, the mid one has only 2000 RPMs and 3100 impacts per minute. So it's got 150 less impacts per minute, and it's got 850 less RPMs. So you can even tell when you squeeze the trigger. This is just a variable speed trigger on this one. I mean, it's got some power. It's fast. And then this is on high. You can tell it's a lot slower. But this does have more torque. It's rated for like 600 breakaway. This is rated for 400 and 250 tightening. I think 330 tightening on this one. So I'm going to use this 4 amp hour battery on both. I just got a 2 amp hour on here right now, but I'm going to take them outside, see if this can get the lug nuts off my truck, which have been on there for 2 years and they've never been touched. And I think they should be at 135 pounds, torqued at 135. So we'll see if this can take them off. I know this probably can, but I'm just going to see if this will do it. Okay, so these are torqued at, they're supposed to be torqued at 135. They've been out here for 2 years. I haven't touched them. So with 4 amp hour battery on the 911. Let's see if I can get one off here. These are starting to crack and stuff, so I'm replacing them today. All right. Let me make sure I'm in reverse here. And now. No problem. Okay, now I'm going to try it with a 2 amp hour battery, see if it can do it. It's fully charged. I don't know if you can see that. It's fully charged. Alright, let's try this one here. No problem. Alright, I'm going to try the 894. Switch in reverse. Got it on precision wrench mode, so it'll stop before it flies off. Just want to see what the difference is between these two as far as ease. Yeah, it's probably easier, but the other one works just fine, so 911's good.